So this video is how to set a post when you're trying to jack up a house or a deck or anything like that. How to set your jack so that it'll work, so that it's safe. The first thing which we found, we've been building this, leveling this whole house. You might want to just take a pan shot and just see all the work that we've already done here. So we've been on this old dilapidated rotted house here, and we're jacking it up and leveling all the different points underneath with a post and pier foundation style, only replacing the ones that we need to. So for example, right now we need to lift up these posts to adjust them. And so the first thing that we do is get like a big block of wood, a 12 by whatever piece is good. We've been using like 12 by 18. And then the first thing that we do is we scrape underneath it like this with just the back of a claw of a hammer, and then leave like a little bit. So right here I leave a little bit of soft dirt, and then I try to get as level as I can with the level. And then what we'll do is we'll take the hammer and then just hammer it down. We've already done it on this one, that's why I'm not truly hammering it. And we'll just hammer it into position. Actually, go down just a little bit, because I'm seeing it was just a hair off. Oh. And then take the other direction and hammer it down a little bit. Okay, and that's perfect now. So now we've got the base set perfect, and now we're gonna set the post. Now, you can't just set the post, you gotta get it level with your spot on the top in the middle. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take my line, my trusty PLS3, which I've had for years, my laser line level. I'm gonna set it right in the middle of the beam. And then I'm actually gonna do it again, just holding this thing and putting the laser level in the center of the post jack, and then it's right in the center of the beam. And that's a critical part. The other thing, just to go back to this base here, you know, if you left, right, perpendicular, and then do 45s, you're gonna get a better read. So the next piece after getting this all set and level is we just took an old piece of 4x4, 4x6, whatever you got laying around, and then we just cut it a few inches, not inches, but even a half an inch short. So we just measure this distance, cut it a half inch short. The other key little thing that we do is just use any piece of metal to go right underneath it here. Set it like that. And then put that on top. And now I'm just gonna take my, my level and just kind of eyeball it to get it to plumb in both directions. And then if you get it just snug, then the cool thing to do is to make little adjustments with your hammer. So it's just barely snug. Stick this on here. Actually, I'm gonna use the 2-foot level for this, get a little bit more accurate. Okay, so now we're taking this level and we'll check these two angles. So the top needs to go in just a hair. Put my glasses on so I get a really good look. That's perfectly between the lines. Okay, and then if you look this way, looks like I just need to do it a hair over on the top. We'll call that perfectly between the lines. So now we got this set. Now we're just gonna jack it up. And that is looking good. So the next thing that we like to do is just take one of these old pieces of 2x6, 2x8, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just attach it, and then we'll attach it to the 4x4. Now it's a little bit out of whack here on the beam and the 2x4, but I don't think that's gonna mess it up. You know, this is an old beam we're recycling, so it's a little bit twisted. So if I suck it too tight, I might pull it out of plumb, but I'm just gonna double check it here. One more thing that I wanted to share with you. So you leveled the base. You leveled and plumbed the post using the laser level. If you don't have a laser level, you can just use a regular level and try to find a plumb line, but it's a lot harder. You know, you can get an inexpensive point and shoot, that's the wrong word, but dot laser level now at probably any hardware store. Then leveling this or plumbing this, then setting some sort of support. If you're lifting something that's super heavy like this house, and you don't have a bunch of other support already on it, what we did was we put 2x6s or any type of wood across like this that would hold actually more like this. So it would be screwed into the post that we're using and then on to the beam that we're attaching to. And then we'd also put it at this angle up into the joists. So there you go. That's how you can quickly and easily set a post if you need to jack up your house or jack up a deck or basically anything. Please like this video if you got value out of it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you have questions or if you have a better way or other methods, we'd love to hear about it. So have a great day, and I hope that's helpful.